San Vicente is physically located in the province of Camarines Norte. Some travelers may not be familiar with this place as this is not within the main road of Camarines Norte, unlike Santa Elena, Labo, or Pasud. But you don't have to worry because in this video, I will showcase their hidden paradise that will surely make you decide to visit this wonderful municipality. Kaya tara na! And here we go! Welcome to San Vicente. The name of the municipality came from their patron saint, San Vicente Ferrer. They used to celebrate their town's fiesta every 5th of April. However, as this day would always fall within the Lenten season, they decided to change it to last Friday of every April, which was approved by Archbishop in 1958. It's time for us to go to their #1 tourist destination, and that is Mananap Falls. As you can see, the municipality is highly agricultural with abaca and coconut as its main product. As the location is not available in Google Map, we have to ask for direction from the locals. Kaso mukhang maliligaw kami.
So ito na, yung daan, kaliwa kanan. Tinanong ni Monique yung mga tao sa gilid kung kakaliwa or kakanan pupunta dun sa barangay hall ng pabrika. Ang sabi sa kanya, diretso daw.
Hindi maburumbo tayo dyan.
At magsabi naman diretso, umuo naman si Monique. Ito yung daan na, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, kaliwa, kanan.
So the answer is kanan. Naku Monica, maliligaw pa tayo. Dito na tayo!
Ito yung tour guide namin. Hi kuya!
Hello po. Kasi Junel Belga, skate chairman ng pabrika.
Okay.
Tourist guide na din ninyo, pabarangay pabrika.
Sige kuya, tara na.
Along the way, you'll be seeing lots of wild exotic plants. So if you are a plantito or plantita, trust me, this place will definitely mesmerize you. Iwasan lang ang pagpitas ha, paalala kaibigan, papunta ka pa lang.
Grabe. Ang layo na lang nilalakad namin.
Time to quench our thirst and replenish our energy with fresh buko juice. Game!
Ito na. Buko juice. Pure. Tama-tama lang yung nilakad. So, perfect.
Natin pa.
Nabulo na ako.
Sarap.
So, ginawa na tayo ng spoon. Improvised spoon.
O diba? Nakalibre pa kami ng buko. Tibay talaga ni SK Chairman.
Ayun na, pupunta na kami.
Sa wakas, nandito na tayo. Grabe. Nandito na tayo.
Solid location natin. Okay? So, just a few minutes. Sana totoo. Baba na kami. Grabe na yung pawis ko.
Trekking is actually fun, especially when you have someone to talk to. You're improving your health condition through exercise, and at the same time, it's helping you refresh yourself and regain your energy because of the different environment. And don't worry, in this travel, Mahaba-habang exercise to as it would take you 2 hours or even more to reach the place due to steep pathways. And that depends on your pacing as well. Kung medyo hingalin ka, then even 3 hours wouldn't be enough. Alam mo na.
Kapit na.
Yes.
And here comes Mananap Falls. This falls is about 60 feet high and highly recommended for swimming. But if you ask me, watching this would be enough. Swimming or even fishing is just a bonus. Ang sarap mag-overnight dito kasama ang barkada. Napakatahimik ng lugar. Perfect for a long, sweet conversation with your partner or even with your friends. Tapos kasama si crush. Alam ko gusto mo yan. Just make sure that you have your guide with you for security and safety purposes. Time check, it's 12:38 in the afternoon. Time to eat. Inabot na kami ng hapon. Medyo napahaba yung kwentuhan sa daan and puro pahinga.
Wala natin yung luto ni Monique.
Wow, ang sarap! Our travel doesn't end there. Did you know that Mananap Falls has 9 levels? And we've only reached level 1. Yes, you heard it correctly. There are 9 levels, and each level has a different structure, but I heard that in level 8, you'll be able to see their hidden paradise at yan ang tutuklasin natin. But we've been informed that it wouldn't be easy. Since nandito na tayo, ituloy na natin to. Come on, samahan nyo kami at sabay-sabay nating tuklasin ang kanilang Paradise Falls. Grabe, I have never imagined myself standing in front of this majestic view. This spot truly deserves to be called as Paradise Falls. Tara na sa San Vicente!